Multiply a soap by adding just one ingredient. For today's tip, we will need a bar of soap. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. We will grate our soap completely. Soap is one of the main items for cleaning. It mainly helps in removing all dirt and stains. I'm sure you will fully enjoy using this blend at a very low cost. Once that's done, let's get everything into a pot. After I started making this tip, I confess that I was surprised. Then we will add 500 milliliters of disinfectant. My family always thanks me for the use of this mixture, especially for the ease in cleaning. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Now let's mix these ingredients over low heat until the soap dissolves in the disinfectant. Once that's done, I'll transfer our mixture to a mold. Best of all, with few ingredients we all have at home, we get this effective blend. And to finish, let's leave our mixture resting for 3 hours. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Honey JD from Boston. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After the time, our soap will already be solid. Just cut the amount desirable for use. Your family will. Thank you very much for making this tip. Instead of using a soap to clean my bathroom, I now have more quantities for longer use. I'm sure it will make it much easier to clean all the items in your bathroom. Only with these 2 ingredients, we have already achieved an incredible mixture. For cleaning, do not worry about the amount of use of the products. This tip works to remove all dirt, and especially yellowish stains. For use, simply place our mixture on the inside of the toilet. That it will already act as the discharge is used. I'm sure you will thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home. And comment if you use any other tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. Tell me what was the result you got in your home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.